Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Eufy C220 with the Eufy S230 and what are the main differences. So the battery life is better for S230, you can do for 1 year. Here you can have only 8 months, but you can have AA batteries. So this is the first thing. Then I've got both fingerprint unlock, both got Wi-Fi, both got remote control, both got voice assistant compatibility, both got integration with Eufy ecosystem. And then you can have also the security smart lock, so waterproof rating is better for S230. That's also important thing. Installation is both same. The material, it really depends on the preference here, and the customer rating is a little bit better for S230. So these are just like the comparison of both regards the specs. That's something I wanted to do for you, like what are the main differences between these two, and I hope it gave you a little bit of value on which one you should choose. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.